Welcome to day 111 of our school year. We have 69 school days left. Let's get down our beginning fraction. We have a total of 180 school days. And we are on day 111. So let's find the factors of 111. Two factors we always know are 1. 1 and the number itself. Now we're going to, and we could do 111 times 1 using that commutative property. We're going to try to find our other factors using our divisibility rules, and we're going to go in order. In order after 1 is 2. The rule for 2 is that it ends in an even number. It ends in an odd number, so 2 is not a factor, and if 2 is not a factor, no even number will be. So then we try the rule for 3, where we add the digits together. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 is a multiple of 3, so 3 is a factor. I can get 33s out of 100. That leaves 10 plus 11, 21, which is 7 times 3. We try 5. The rule for 5 is that it ends in a 0, 5. It ends in a 1. So 5 is not a factor. We try 7. 7 times 10 is 70, 77, 84, 91, 98, 105, 112. 111 is not in that list, so 7 is not a factor. We try 9. It has the same rule as 3, where you add the digits together. 3 is not a multiple of 9, so 3 is not a factor. We try 11. 11 times 10 is 110, and then 121. We can't get 111. Sometimes some of you think that. Be careful. The next one, we have 110, 121. So 11 is not a factor. I'm going to see if 37 may be prime. It is. If it's our second factor is prime and we've gone in order, then we're done because it can't break down any more. So our factors are 1, 3, 37, 111. We have 4 factors. That's more than 2 factors, so it is composite. Okay, our greatest common factor, well, we only have 69 school days left, so 111 won't work. Let's try 37. 30 plus 7 is 37. 3 plus 30 is 33. Plus 4 is 37. 6 plus 30 plus 1 is 37. 9 plus 20 is 29. Plus 8 is 37. And then we have 32 left over, so 37 doesn't work. It is not a common factor. Let's try 3, groups of 3. Doesn't matter what your groups of 3 look like. You just need to make sure you keep your shaded separated from your unshaded and have 3 in each group. So 3 worked. I have no remainders at all. So 3 is our greatest common factor. So let's count up our total groups of 3. The way my groups are made, I have 3 in each row, so I'm going to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60 total groups of 3. And now let's count how many are shaded in. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Now that we've proved our division with our model, let's go ahead and prove it with our algorithm. We're going to divide everything into groups of 3. $180 divided by 3, 111 divided by 3. I'm going to try 50. 50 times 3, because the placeholder moves it over a place. 5 times 3 is 15. Numbers the same, zeros a game. More on top, no need to stop. Numbers the same, zeros a game. And then 10 times 3 is 30. Numbers the same, zeros a game. Add these together. 50 plus 10 is 60. Here, I'm going to try 20. Placeholder moves it a place. 2 times 3 is 6. More on top, no need to stop. And then 11, take away 6 is 5. I'm going to try 10. 10 times 3 is 30. More on top, no need to stop. More on top, no need to stop. Let's try 7 times 3 is 21. Numbers the same, zeros a game. If you didn't know 7, you could have done a group of 5 and a group of 2. Let's add up the partial quotients. 20 plus 10 is 30 plus 7 is 37. Now we need to check divisor times quotient plus remainder, divisor times quotient plus remainder. Since our remainder is 0 for both, and the identity property of addition says when you add 0, it stays the same, we don't need to actually take time to add the 0. 3 groups of 0 is 0. 3 groups of 6 tens is 18 tens. 6 groups of 7 is 21, or 2 tens and 1 1. 3 groups of 3 tens is 9 tens, plus 2 tens is 11 tens. 111 matches our dividend, so that checks. 180 matches our dividend, so that checks. So our numerator is definitely 37, and our denominator is definitely 60. Okay, let's go ahead and write this in our data collection page. Okay, we are in trimester 2, week 11. Today's date is 2/13/2020. And our fraction for today is 37/60ths. Okay, so we did groups of 3. Let's go ahead and get out our number line. Last one we have is 31/60ths. Okay, so we need to get all the way over to 37. So we have 32/60ths, which is equivalent to 16/30ths and 8/15ths. That's the simplest form. And 48/90ths. 33/60ths is equivalent to 11/20ths. That is our simplest form. 34/60ths is equivalent to 51/90ths, and 17/30ths is our equivalent fraction in lowest terms. 35/60ths is equivalent to 7/12ths. That's our equivalent fraction in lowest terms, or simplest form. 36/60ths is equivalent to 3/5ths. That is our simplest form. And then today is 37/60ths. There are no lines lined up below it because it is our simplest form, or equivalent fraction in lowest terms. All right, let's go ahead and put your number line away, erase your worksheet, and thank you for joining me.